Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Rolls-Royce Ghost. Begin by lightly sketching the basic proportions of the car. Think of it as a long, elegant rectangle for the main body, with a slightly smaller, more upright rectangle for the passenger cabin. Pay close attention to the wheelbase. The wheels should be roughly 1/3 of the car's total height from the ground. This initial framework is crucial for capturing the Ghost's distinctive presence and luxurious dimensions. Next, let's bring in those unmistakable Rolls-Royce details. The Pantheon grille is central, so draw it tall and proud, dominating the front. Perched atop, the Spirit of Ecstasy mascot requires careful attention to her flowing form. Don't forget the sleek, rectangular headlights and taillights, which contribute to its sophisticated look. Finally, give the large, multi-spoke wheels their due, ensuring the hubcaps are perfectly centered for that signature touch. Now, it's time to refine your drawing by smoothing out all those initial guidelines. Focus on creating elegant, continuous curves that define the Ghost's luxurious form. Pay special attention to the strong character lines that sweep along the side, giving it a sense of motion and power. Emphasize the car's long, low profile and its distinctive flowing silhouette. A few subtle reflections will hint at the polished, high-gloss finish of the paintwork. For the final touches, let's add shading to give your drawing depth and realism. Use a range of tones to define the car's contours and create a sense of three-dimensional form. Darken the areas beneath the car and within recessed sections to establish shadows. Introduce highlights on the metallic parts, such as the grille and window trim, to make them gleam. A simple, understated background can further enhance the majestic presence of your Rolls-Royce Ghost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.